Hi everyone, welcome to Guitar for Kids. Today we are answering the big question, can a 7-year-old learn to play guitar? Guess what? The answer is yes, they absolutely can. And we are going to show you how, whether you are a young learner or a parent helping out, this lesson is packed with everything you need to know to get started. So let's dive in.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
This is what we'll learn today, and in this lesson we are going to cover the basics of how to hold the guitar, strumming and to play simple chords, and fun tips for kids too to make learning super exciting. What should kids learn first, and the essential skills to kickstart the musical journey. Sounds fun, right? Well, let's get started. First things first, we're going to cover holding the guitar. And holding the guitar is like giving the guitar a super hug, but only cooler. So what we're going to do is, with the curve of the guitar, it's going to sit on the thigh. And we're going to allow the weight of the guitar to be there. Then the elbow is going to sit on top like this. This helps to bring balance so the neck isn't falling. And we want the neck to be horizontal like this. And then the shoulders down. And there we go. That's how we hold the guitar. Super cool, right? Give it a try. Got it. That's great. Let's move on to strumming. If you are loving this video right now, consider subscribing to the channel and be first notified when I post new weekly videos just like this one. And also hit the like button so I know you've loved this video to make future ones just like this. Back to the lesson. Strumming is like giving your guitar a high five. So let's start by using your thumb and running it across the strings like this. So we're going down towards the floor. This is what we call a down strum. And then we can also go up like this. And that is an up strum. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just try to feel the rhythm. And just copy what I'm doing. Here's a quick challenge. See if you can strum along with me. And we're going to go down, up, down, up, down. Great job. Let's move on. Ready to play your first chord? Let's try this super easy E minor chord. So we're going to place our first finger here, and then our second finger tucks in underneath like that, and then we're going to give it a strum. So practice your chords for a bit and you'll be rocking in no time. Discovering the joy of learning guitar together. This is a perfect course for grandparents, parents, and children. Are you ready to make unforgettable memories with your loved ones through the joy of music? Whether you're a grandparent eager to serenade your grandchildren with nursery rhymes, or if you're a parent wanting to share the joy of learning guitar with your child. Our online course is perfect for you. You all closer together. Sign up now and start strumming your way to unforgettable family moments. Just click here to enroll and make music a part of your family's story forever. That's it for today's lesson. And remember, learning to play the guitar is all about having fun and practicing. And practicing a little bit each day. You are already off to a great start, so keep it going. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you will never miss a lesson. We have a ton of future lessons coming your way. And I will see you next time on the Guitar for Kids channel. And thank you for watching.